Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a character from Player Unknown. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw in the mask, and we're going to draw in the big visor area first. So just going to come straight across and draw like a really long rectangle. Alright, and then from there we're going to draw in the little glass area. So this is going to be easy because it's just going to be the same rectangle but just on the inside. Alright, and then from here, just kind of come up on the side here and close that off, and then continue the straight line but come down a little bit more. So this is going to be this whole face area. So just a bunch of rectangles for now. And then now we can draw in the top of the head. So just a dome shape from here. We're just going to go all the way up. Just curve it back down. Alright, so that's pretty much the top of the head. So now we just got to draw in his chin. So from here, we can just draw in curve like this. And this is actually going to be his chin strap. So we're going to give it some thickness here. And then now we're just going to come up a little bit. And we won't see his mouth. So that's pretty much for the head. So it's nice and simple. So we're going to go down. Let's continue on to the neck. And let's see. We're going to draw two straight lines like this. And then we're going to pinch it in for his collar. So just kind of come down with a sharp angle. And now for the collar itself, let's just go up from here. And then on the back here, we're going to draw two lines. And now all we have to do is just draw in a nice little angle like this just to connect them. So that's his shirt collar folding over. Alright, so from here, let's draw in. Yeah, let's finish up the frame of the body. So we're going to come out for his shoulder. Okay, and then we're going to come in. This is going to be his waist. So we're coming down, we're pinching it in. And then for the belt area, just give this another angle right now. Okay, so that's gonna be the upper body. So let's finish up the details here. He's got the little tie. So right down here, just draw in a little square like that, box. And then we're gonna go up. And then on the inside, we'll draw in another line. So that's his tie. And then for the bottom part, we're just gonna flare it out. And then we're gonna just close it off. Alright, and then he's got some straps here. So let's draw in two lines. That's one strap. He's got it on the other side as well. Okay, and then let's see, we can draw, let's finish up the belt because it's kind of cool. So on the belt area, you can just kind of come down, and then on this one, continue that line, and then come down, because this is going to be one belt. And then on this one, we just continue this line here. And then we're going to add in one more line here. This is for the second belt. And then whatever space, you can just kind of close it off. So it's a little bit lopsided. And then from here, we can draw in, you can close that off and draw in a little box for a little belt buckle. Alright, that's pretty cool. So now let's move on to his arm. So right here on the shoulder, we're going to just kind of come down and give it a little bit of a wavy line. And then here's the armpit. One curve. And then we're going to close it off because he's got his shirt folded up. So now we're going to extend this line. We're going to pinch it in, go into his arm. Then we're going to close it off. We're going to add in a couple of lines here just to show that it's cloth being folded. And then for his hand, for his arm, we're just going to continue this line. And then close it off. And now for the glove, so we're going to come out for his thumb. Down, and then for the other fingers, Just draw that. Okay, so he's holding a fist. So let's move on to the other arm, and this time he's gonna be holding his pistol. So upper part is pretty much the same. So shoulder, armpit, little line there. Okay, then we gotta close it off, extend it, and then just pinch it in again. And then we gotta close it off. And now for his arm. Okay, let's add in a few lines here. We're gonna close this off for his glove. And now to draw the hand. So from here, we're gonna go up a little bit, just come out. It's gonna be his thumb. Come down, hook it. And then that's gonna be his palm. So that's gonna be one, and we got to draw, let's draw the trigger finger. It's gonna be right here. Let's draw that floating out there. And now we're gonna draw 3 more fingers. So we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3. And then right here, just continue on the line, because that's gonna be the handle for the pistol. So we'll close that off, and then right here we just draw a line for his palm. All right, so let's see. For the gun itself, we're just gonna kind of draw in a line like this. And for the trigger, just kind of house that for the finger. And now we're gonna draw the gun, so we're gonna keep it simple. Just any regular pistol. Maybe a line here, curve there, maybe some detail there, and then the front. I'll add in the sight. Alright, now for his legs, and we're gonna come, this one should be pretty simple. So come straight down in the middle, draw a little line, and then we're gonna come out and in just slightly. We'll make him so muscular. And then we're gonna close it off. And then knee pads, which is gonna come down and just kind of round it off on the bottom. Okay, and then on the other side it's gonna be the same. So we're gonna come down, close it off, come straight, just curve it a little bit. And now for the lower leg, so we're gonna come out, and then we're gonna draw his shoe. It's like high top, so we're gonna close it off up here, and then it's gonna come down quite a bit. And here we're gonna come down, and then we're gonna flare this one out. It's for his foot, and then we're gonna close it off. Let's keep a little bit of detail on the sole, and then let's see, he's got on the tip here, just kind of round it off. And then he's got some strap here, so I'll just draw 2 lines. Just keep it simple, and then for the laces, we'll just draw 2 little curves like that. Okay, so that came out pretty cool, I think. So now for the other side, so we're gonna come down, pretty much the same area. Close it off. Now I'm gonna come straight down. Use that as a guide to how far down you wanna go. Then we're gonna come down, and we're gonna curve this one out again. Now we're gonna close it off. A little bit of detail on the sole. Let's see the tip. The strap on the shoe. And the laces, 2 curves. Alright, and let's go back up here because he's got a lot more details on right here. He's got another strap. Okay, and then it looks like this is part of the strap. And he's got a little pouch on the side, so we're just gonna draw in that, and maybe a little bit of detail here. Just a couple of lines for the zippers. And let's see, that's about it for the body. And let's draw in the little rifle on the back, which is kind of cool, right? All right, so I'm gonna draw it a slant. So we're gonna come out, angle, and just kind of flare it out a little bit. Now we're gonna draw another rectangle here, slightly bigger. And then we're gonna draw another rectangle. And then we're gonna cut this one in half and just extend it for the barrel. We'll extend that, close it off, and we'll keep it simple. Maybe another rectangle there, and then for the sight. And then we'll add a little bit of detail here. Okay, and then on the right here behind, we should see the stock a little bit. So I'm just gonna draw a little angle like this. And that is it for this character from Player Unknown. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.